Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys had a good night. Good night, good day at school. Sorry, it's early in the morning here. Kind of trying to get going this morning. It snowed again. I wasn't happy about having to walk out in the snow when I got out there. It's not the best thing. So, oh well, here we go. Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade edition, fourth grade, module 3, lesson 4. So this one we're dividing. All right, we're going to draw the place value chart to divide and fill in the blanks. So we have 842 divided by 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 800s. There's our 4 tens. There's our 2 ones. We're dividing by 2. So down here, this is going to be section 1 or group 1. And this is group 2. So now let's start going back and forth and see if we can evenly put these in. All right. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that worked out. You can cross it off as you do one. So if you want to draw one, cross one, draw one, cross one, that works too. Over here, draw one, cross one, draw one, cross one. We just want to make sure that we always have an even amount to put in. We got to kind of look ahead a little bit and see, all right, I have 2. I know I can do 2. I have 2 more. I can do 2 more. Because you don't want to have to start erasing. Because if we get that phantom circle in there like that we erase, we might end up counting it for our answer and messing ourselves up, right? So here I got 1, 2. I got 2 spots. I go 1, 2. And then to find our number, 842 divided by 2, I have 4 here. I have 2 here. And I have 1 here. So this equals 421. Sorry, I went sideways on that. I apologize. Okay, so the next one we're dividing by 3. So my line's got a little long here. Let's get those out of the way. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. All right, remember, this is almost the same as if I drew 3 circles. This is just a little neater. So we need 4 on the 100 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 in the tens, 1, 2, and 9 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you should really take your time and make these circles neat. Well, neatish. You don't want to just be making like dots, because if you make dots and your pencil accidentally touches down at some point, you might make another dot and you might really mess yourself up. All right, I'm going to help with this one too, because this one's not going to be as neat to start with. And then I want to show you how we're going to blow some stuff up. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3 spaces. So we can only put 3 in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have this one left. So now, as I say in my classroom, we're going to blow this up. So we take it and draw a line over. Now we make these 10, 4, 5, because 100 is 10 tens. So we need to put 10 tens over here to show our 100, okay? And now we go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Back up here, 1, 1, 1. Sometimes it's all right to double check too. So I got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just to make sure I haven't gotten too far out. Let's see. I got 3 left, so that works out great. 1, 2, 3. Cross, cross, cross. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. Oops. 4, 5, 6. Even I did it. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So this equals 1 in the hundreds, because there's 1 in each of the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4 in each of the tens. Paper's moving on me. And 3 in each of the ones. So our answer is going to be 143. All right, I'll fix the 3. It's bothering me. Much better. All right, so you can set it up the same way to do this. I know there's not a lot of room on the paper, right, for these down here. This one is this. So we can do the second part of it. We kind of already answered up here. So it just wants you to say the 400s because there's 4 in the hundreds. I like writing them out this way because you wrote the number out exactly how it's supposed to be already, right? Like that's 400s, 2 10s, right? So, but it's 400, 20 10s, and 1 1, which equals 421. And over here, 1 in the 100, 40 and 3, 143. I did it with my 3 again. I don't know what's going on this morning. All right. So that finishes those off. Like I said, I like writing it right underneath to say how many is in each spot because then it shows me what's in my hundreds, what's in my tens, hundreds, what's in my ones. But we might need it for a quiz that's coming up because after, you should have had a quiz yesterday or you should have a quiz today before you did this. This starts our next, this is section B in module 3. So I hope your quiz went well. All right, down here, same type of deal, right? They're just setting it up a different way. They just want you to break this down. All right, so over here we have 40. Over here we have 3. Okay, then divide this by this, answer here. Divide this by this, answer here. Divide this by this, answer here. I would draw this out, guys. They already kind of gave you the answer here for the first one. So they already told you that's 300. All right. I would draw this out. I would do my place value because I can tell you that I don't think this one's going to be the neatest. Don't think it's going to be the neatest. It would help if Mr. Short wrote the right number in there, though, wouldn't it? This is supposed to be a 2. There we go. Okay. Oh, and here for some of you, I'll make my 2 the other way underneath it. I just wasn't taught that way. That does not feel comfortable for me at all. I don't want that on there. I don't like how that feels. All right. Draw a model of help. Do this one. This part's not going to be neat, so make sure you take your time and do it. Remember, how many times can 3 go into 4? Start with that. Start with how many times 3 can go into 4, and then do your subtraction. Let's look at the back. Ray plants tomatoes in 1/6 of his garden. Partition, label, and shade the rectangle to show how much of the garden is planted with tomatoes. So 1/6. So fractions is something we haven't done with a ton, so I'm going to help with this. So 1/6. That tells you this is how many total parts. So total parts. Right? That's for the whole thing. This is how many parts, we're going to say for this, parts used, right? Because this is what he used for his garden. So this is total parts, and this is parts used. So he used 1 part. You know, it says parts because we could have up to 6 parts, right? He only used 1 of them. So you can divide this into 6 even sections. So you can go down. This is already 1. You could go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You could go across and have 2, and then go 3, 4, 5, 6, like however you want, whatever makes you happy. I'm going to go down. So this is 2 parts, 3 parts. And I'm saying 3 parts because 1, 2, 3. 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he used 1 of them. All right. If you're real fancy and you want to draw some tomato plants, go for it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this. I'm just going to shade it in. All right. I shade this in. And now it breaks down for me that this is where my tomatoes are because it said shade the rectangle to show how much of the garden is planted with tomatoes. There's my 1/6. Are these the exact same size? No, but it's still 6 parts. We're not being that exact right now. If you want to do that, go for it. If you want to get your ruler out, measure it, divide it up, make sure everyone's the exact same length. Go for it. Is that what I expect to see on the homework? No. I can clearly see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. I can see one is shaded. That's all I need. That's it for this week, guys. We got what? We're getting there. This would be Thursday's homework. I'm doing this on Tuesday morning. This is Thursday's homework. So you got Friday wake up. So that means you only have 11 more school day wake ups, counting Friday morning's wake up. And then we get 16 straight days, at least in my school district, with no school. I know we're all excited for that. All right. Have a good night.